Have you ever wondered if those crochet kits are worth the hype? Well, Crochetta sent me one of their latest kits, and today we're going to dive deep into it and even complete a project. Stick around. The kit came in this adorable box with all the images on the front, and it gives you all the supplies that are inside the box. Let's see what's in the box. Quickly, you see a bag that's full of the other yarn that comes in the kit. Nicely packed and labeled, and it looks like you will have enough yarn to make all 4 of the succulents that are in the box. So we got the cream. I'm assuming this is for the pots, the beige one, dark one, and it has mini skeins for, I guess, for the little details. And they even have one, if you are new to crochet, you can practice with this yarn. So they have it for test. So you can practice with this little bit of yarn. And then you got the greens for the succulents. And the dark brown for the dirt. Nicely packaged. And the skeins are really dense, so they're really full. And it looks like a 2-weight. I'm assuming. Here, to me it looks like a 2-weight. The polyfill comes in this vacuum packed package, and if once it opens, you have enough for all 4 succulents. And now let's open this bag of notions. Let's see what it all includes. Oh, there we go. Let's move this around. Let's see. I'm slow. A bag of safety eyes with the backs. Then we have a pair of scissors. The little snippet scissors. They're pretty sharp. And it has a protective cover on it. I'm having trouble opening it. There we go. And the other items we have are stitch markers. If you do the amigurumi in the round, the stitch markers are handy. And then it comes with the darning needle. And it comes, I thought, with 2 different crochet hooks, but they're actually both 2.5 millimeter. And I'm rubbing here, and the hook itself is nice and smooth. Yeah, they're both 2.5 millimeters. Like I said, both of the hooks are 2.5 millimeter. What else is in here? Those are all the notions. And there's 2 booklets inside. One of them is the instructions for the amigurumis, which I won't show because it has their patterns in there. But they do have a QR code. If you're new to crocheting, it gives you a step-by-step instruction of how to make all these little amigurumis. And this one is a guidebook that gives you all the abbreviations and detailed pictures on how to do all this, the stitches as well. So if you're more of a picture person, that's what you need. Now let's start working on the amigurumi. And I was trying to get it from the center, but these guys are so packed that you're going to see what happens in a second. I'm pulling and pulling, trying to get the center, and ready, set, yarn barf. So I would suggest that you start the how you call it, the yarn from the outside, because they're very, very packed. So I'm going to start here and just follow along. Well, not follow along, because I'm only going to do a few steps here. And again, the instructions will be in the kit, and also they have videos to show you all the different steps. They do start with the magic ring, but I do the chain 2 and then stitch into with the center. But if you would like to do the magic ring, go ahead. But here, just sit back and relax. The founder, Katie, started Crochetta out of the passion for crochet and the desire to share her love of the craft with others. After years of creating her own designs and sharing them with friends and family, she realized that there was a need for accessible, easy to follow crochet patterns and kits. According to the instructions, this is a cotton yarn, and I found it a little splitty, but not too bad. I was able to use it with their hook, and like I said, pull the skein from the outside or you will get yarn barf, because they are tightly packed. But it wasn't too bad to use it from the outside either. Overall, I think it's a beginner-friendly kit with all the videos that they give you if you are a beginner, and they give you all the supplies that you need to finish this, except for if you wanted to add some blush to their cheeks or something. But everything else is included in the package. I'll leave a link to this kit in the description box below. So what do you think of the finished project? Would you give this kit a try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more crochet adventures. Share this video with your crafty friends and let's spread the joy of crocheting. This cute little box also is great to store your leftovers in, so you can work on it on your next project, and it keeps it all in one place. Until next time, be brave, be strong, and create some mini succulents.